Hi, hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem. That is, a brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. The wire is also used in making diameters, which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors, as shown in the figure. Sorry, let me draw once again. It's not that much good. I'm not a good. Yes. Okay. Now, this full circle is made up of wire, and these five diameters also using made up of wire. So the first option what is given, total length of silver wire required. So how much length of the wire we want means what we will do, the circumference of the circle and the number of diameters, length of diameter into number of diameters. Okay, so let us write given first. Given diameter, length of diameter of wire, length of diameter is equals to 35 millimeter, number of diameters equals to 5, and what more is given, that only. So here if you observe, this is the length of diameter, so what will be the radius? Radius equals to diameter by 2, right? 35 by 2 millimeter. Okay, these are the things we want to solve this problem. So coming to the first given question, total length of silver wire, total length of silver wire. Okay, so for the total length of silver wire, what we have to do, circumference of circle and the number of diameters into their length, right? Because this full is wire, and these five diameters also with wire only, no? That's why. So total length of wire is equals to circumference of circle plus number of diameter into length of diameter. Okay, so which is equals to circumference of circle. First we have to find circumference of circle equal to 2 pi r, which is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into r is nothing but this. Radius is 35 by 2. 2 cancel, 7 in 35 5 times. So what we got? What you will get? 5, 10, 11, 120 millimeter circumference of the circle. Next, number of diameter into length of diameter equal to 5 into 35, which is equals to 5 is 25 to 75 millimeter. Now what will be the length of total wire? Total silver wire required equals to 110 millimeter plus 175 millimeter, which is equals to 285 millimeter. This is the first question given. Within that, second one is there. What is that area of each sector of brooch? Area of each sector of brooch. So what is the formula for area of sector? Area of sector equals to theta by 360 into pi r square. Right? This is the area of sector. Now we have to find the theta. So how you will get theta? What we know actually? Angle within a circle is 360 degrees. Total number of sectors is 10. Therefore, angle of each sector equals to 360 degrees by 10. This cancels, so 36 degrees for each sector. Now substitute this value here. And r is what? 35 by 2. Right? Here we know, here we got 35 by 2 radius. Substitute those values here. Area of sector equals to 36 by 360 into 22 by 7 into r is 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. 36 in 360 10 times, right? 5 2s, 5 7s, 7 7 cancel, and this 2 in 22 11 times. What more left? We left with only 11 into 35 by 4, right? So 11 into 35 is 11 5 is 55, 11 3 is 33, 38 by 4 millimeters. Understood how to do? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.